this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Expedition Max King Ranch Edition. Coming in this nice Glacier gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get some nice bronze accents, which is pretty nice with this nice blue-ish gray color, the King Ranch logo, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. You do get a tow hitch down there as well, rear park sensing, we got roof rails, and with this we do get a split tailgate with this, which is pretty nice. Let me just find and it will go up automatically obviously, and this does come down, or you can leave it up, which is pretty nice. You do get tons of storage, I'll go over that later, and this does go down as well. So you can use this for your tailgate parties or nice little workbench, totally up to you. And to close both, you can either just close this and it will close this, or close this and they will close automatically at the same time like that. Continue our look at this vehicle. We do get those nice King Ranch bronze rims, which adds a nice sleek look to the vehicle. Got some nice silver and black accents, which adds a nice pop to the color. We got side view camera, lights, spotlights, blind spot detection, all on your mirrors. And moving to the front real quick, we got front park sensing. There's that nice bronze accent again, front view camera, the Expedition logo, and that nice Ford grille. Now taking a look at the back here, since it is a Max Edition, you do get quite a bit more cargo space, even with your third row up. You got 12-volt USB-Cs, 120 hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got a light back here, more hooks on that side. You can't collapse your third and second row from here. I'm just gonna do that, watch it go down. Pretty nice. I'm gonna do the third one. Pretty handy. And you do get your nice storage up here, and it does come up automatically if they're too far forward, but pull it down, bring that back up, all that nice. Plenty of storage, and to close, like I said before, you just hit that button. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty freaking comfortably. We have this nice brown leather interior. You got the King Ranch logo stitched on all the seats. Adjustable seats. To get to the back, you just press this button here. Will go up automatically. You get plenty of leg room in the back as well. Cup holders, buttons to collapse your headrest, all that jazz, outlets, all pretty comfortable. You do get outlets in front of you as well. USB-Cs, your own rear vents, and rear climate controls, heated captain's chairs, 120-volt outlet, cup holders, more storage, and all that fun stuff. Plenty of door space in the back, B&O sound system, and the leathering on the door, and genuine wood paneling. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, the stitched-on logo. Plenty of door space up front, paneling, leathering, power door mirrors, all that jazz, four-wheel drive mode, your lift gates, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 1,025 kilometers. We've got this new looking steering wheel. It's pretty freaking nice. You got the brown leathering on it. It is touchscreen, so depending on where you move it, you can go through all those different settings. Volume, all that jazz. And same with here, you got your cruise controls and all that fun stuff. BlueCruise, which is Ford self-driving. Wireless charging pad, Pro Trailer Assist, outlets. It does close. Cup holders. The King Ranch logo on your center console here, where you do get more storage underneath, and you do get some secret storage here as well by just pressing those buttons. Pretty handy, and it'll go back up. Expedition on the logo on the dash with the wood paneling. Volume, you have your gears, gear select, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, hazards, 360 view of your vehicle, which I already had it on. Pretty handy. You can also change the view of it as well. Hitch mode, pretty handy, so you can see where you're hitching up to. Traction and hill. Got the storage below. We got the nice new looking dash with your nice heads up display. Really customize it however you like as well. We do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, all that jazz. All the climate controls are at the bottom on your touchscreen here, with heated and cooled front seats, automatic seats, which is pretty nice. And looking here, Google Maps, you can add a phone, personal profiles, audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that jazz. You got notifications on here as well. Vehicle settings such as auto hold, driver memory, because you do get memory seats, brightness, rear climate lock, all that jazz. And you do get the ability to open your lift gate from here. You have all your apps, so this vehicle is powered by Google as well. Hotspot, games, quick tips, Google, YouTube, all that jazz. And you do get your widgets, which you can upload here. So I'm gonna media, so it will adjust up here as well to your liking, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA32843, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.